to go down?
I think there's another way. If you watch this, you can see.
So guys, we are going to the Kisasa Waterfall in Lushoto, and Sebastian is going to ask the kids. He has a question for the kid.
Where's our kid? Bado tadi kan kapi.
Huh?
Bado tadi kan kapi. Huh?
He said we already arrived. We're only going to cross. So, unaitwa nani? Nani? Nasir. Nasir. Na Zai. Okay guys, they say we are almost there, so these kids are following us now. Somebody told them like they should follow us so they get money.
Now they're following. They bring us.
Mnakaa huku? Tumeshafika au bado? Hatujafika bado, stari.
Huh? Yeah. There's a lot of maize. And Madina with her kids.
We adopted.
So every village we adopt some kids. So
Then we have for 11 for a football match. Wow, look at that.
Ah, there it is.
Very huge.
So, which way? There are two ways, guys. This way or this way? This way? Ah.
Mother in town.
Okay, let's go.
So, niambie. Uko unasemaje?
Give me my money.
Come and listen. He's saying give him his money.
We're not there. Well,
Let's go first.
this side. This side? Let's go this side.
This side?
Okay. The other direction.
This?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, our tour guides points us to the other direction.
I hope you have some coins.
Only 10,000.
Oh no.
No.
Woo. So here is a
coffee corner. Asante.
So we had to
They
pay for
have a
them.
nice day now.
Yeah.
With a lot of juice and bananas. And Asante!
They were saying thank you. It's so hard. Oh,
Come down.
I can't. Drama.
Ooh, no. Madina has no power anymore. What's going on? Tired. But look at this. Look at this.
Is there a way to go down?
I think there's another way. If you watch this, you can see.
Now my turn. This is so slippery.
Yes.
Are you ready for the interest fee?
Oh no, there's an entrance fee.
Of course.
I thought we get a welcome coffee.
Yeah, because you have a YouTube channel. Woo! Wow, like this is
Super nice. Amazing view. Yeah. You haven't been here before?
no.
Let's go down. Pay for the entrance.
So it's 5,000 for a foreigner and 2,000 for me because I'm Tanzanian.
You get the change
Okay,
and
here,
then
change. You can pass here.
that's our way to
The heaven! First of all, I like this.
the style. Yes.
Need help? I'm being a lady. Oh, my gentleman.
She's carrying the bag. She's
Yeah,
helping
I
me.
am so nice. I don't know what happened to me.
No, enough.
Oh.
Oh, and woo. Very nice. Wow. So let's rest for a second and enjoy the view. We are on our way back home. You hear the waterfall in the background, and we found a way better way up. A way better way up? Whatever. We find a better way to go up than the way we came down.
Guys, okay, guys, please subscribe. Share to your friends.
Let's go. See you next time. Bye bye.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.